Greetings, my curious friend. Let's start with something wild. Every human on earth carries a tiny, shiny secret. You have gold inside you, right now, flowing in your blood. Not a metaphor, actual atoms, real gold. And that brings us to a crazy question. If we collected all the gold inside of humans, how many humans would it take to fill a bowl or a large swimming pool? The answer is so ridiculous, it almost feels like a cosmic joke. The average human body has 0.2 milligrams of gold. That's nothing, smaller than a grain of dust. But where did that gold come from? Here is the surprising truth. The gold inside you is older than the earth, older than the sun, and older than the solar system. Gold is forged in the universe's most rarest, most violent events, the neutron star collisions and the supernova explosions. These explosions throw gold dust into the space, and that dust floats around for millions of years until it becomes part of the cloud of gas and the rocks that forms the sun, the planets, and eventually the earth. When the earth formed, it was a glowing ocean of molten rock. All the heavy metals sank into the core, including gold. There is enough gold in Earth's core to wrap the entire surface of the planet in a layer 1.5 feet thick. But we will never reach it. During the late bombardment period, thousands of asteroids hit Earth. Those asteroids carried the gold we mine today. It's essentially space dust stuck in the crust. So why gold seems everywhere? The reason is gold exists in the soil, the water, the plants because asteroid dust spread everywhere. Tiny bits of gold enter the body through the food and water. We don't create gold, we just absorb it. We are the biological gold collectors. Now let's scale this up. A kitchen bowl holds around 400 ml and that much gold weighs around 7.7 kilograms. Divide that by the gold in human body, you get 38.5 million humans are required just to fill a single bowl. And now let's go bigger. Olympic size pool holds around 2.5 million liters. If you fill that pool with solid gold, you're looking at 48 million kilograms. That's 48,000 metric tons of pure shimmering metal. And now divide that by the gold inside one human. The answer is 240 trillion humans. There are about 8 billion people on Earth right now. To fill that pool, you would need the gold from people on 30,000 Earths. Not even 30,000 Earths combined could provide you with enough people to extract that much gold. That's how tiny the gold inside of us really is. Another interesting thing, you can technically transfer your internal gold, not by extracting it, but through blood donation or an organ transplant. Your gold atoms simply move into another person. Even if every human who ever lived shared their gold, we still wouldn't fill even a fraction of that swimming pool. Maybe the gold inside us isn't meant to be collected. Maybe it's meant to remind us of something deeper, that we come from stars, that we are made up of dust billions of years old, that our atoms traveled across galaxies long before they ever became you, my friend. And thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And if you like this video, I would really love to have you as a subscriber. So stay curious, my friend, and take care.
A random shout out to our community members to show my appreciation for your support. Thank you.